trending on Procyon Radio and Television with Sarah. I have MQ all rounder.
Thank you for having me.
You're welcome, MQ.
Thank you.
Thank you for joining us. Senate takes action on motion seeking reopening of Nigeria's borders with Niger Republic. The Senate has rejected a motion to reopen Nigeria's border with Niger Republic, which was closed as a result of military takeover. Senator Suleiman Kawu Sumaila had during plenary lamented on the floor of the Senate that the closed borders has caused economic hardship in many border towns like Sokoto, Zamfara, Katsina, Kebbi, Jigawa, Yobe, and Borno states. He therefore appealed for the reopening of the borders so as to alleviate the sufferings of those affected. In his view, the closure runs contrary to the provision of the Nigerian constitution that guarantees the security and welfare of the citizens. You can't threaten federal government to secure negotiation contract with bandits, Igboho to Gumi. As criticism continues to surround the recent reported outburst of the Northern Islamic cleric Sheikh Ahmed Gumi over the appointment of some Christians into strategic positions, Chief Sunday Adeyemo, popularly known as Igboho, stated that the cleric cannot use subtle threats to secure his negotiation contract with bandits under the administration of President Bola Tinubu. Adeyemo emphasized that Tinubu's choice of his ministers and their activities should not allegedly be used as a decoy by Gumi to seek reckoning or make discreet threats to obtain the job of negotiating with mindless bandits and terrorists, as he did under the immediate past government of ex-President Muhammadu Buhari. It is worth noting that a video clip of the popular Islamic cleric decrying the appointment of Southern Christians by Tinubu to head strategic positions in the north, along with Wike's recent posting of Israeli ambassador to Nigeria, Michael Freeman, in his Abuja office, has generated criticism from some quarters. MQ all-rounder. Here we are on trending today.
Yes, I can hear about
Senate takes action on motion seeking reopening of Nigeria's border with Niger Republic.
I don't know where is Kao during the Buhari regime that he closed the Cotonou border for almost 8 years. And we know what Nigeria gained from Cotonou to Nigeria. When you talk about Niger, in this part, in the northern part of Nigeria, they used to talk Niger as if Niger is a twin brother of Nigeria. You understand? Where Niger, Nigerian, because they so much talk as if the Niger Republic is the only country that is bordering the northern part of Nigeria. Former President Buhari said that he has cousins, he has brothers in Niger, as he's part of Niger. And we know many people, especially the ones that is ruling here, us in Nigeria, especially from the northern part, most of them, they are from Niger. Let's call a spade a spade. They are from Niger. That is why anything concerning Niger is always being this thing. I don't know. Because for Tinubu now, we know why he closed that border. We know why he cut electricity, and we know why. It's because the military took over in Niger. And Niger, as a chairman of the ECOWAS, he has to take some steps. You understand? But now, I don't know the way the people turn it around in the north here that they want Niger border to be open. Now, during the Buhari regime, they took a rail to Niger. We are supposed to have rail from a federal capital at least to Lokoja. But we don't have that. But we have rail from Niger to Nigeria. So now, The house now think that it's not important to them. That is why they threw out that motion, and it's good like that. Let Niger be Niger.
You can't threaten federal government to secure negotiation contracts with bandits, Sunday Igboho told Gumi.
I don't see sense in using religion to divide ourselves now. Now, the ticket is Muslim ticket that we have.
Yes.
Both the vice president and the president, they are Muslims. Now, what else did Gumi want now? Why you are using religion to divide this country? Please and please, at this moment now, in our life now, in this democracy now, we don't want anybody to be using religion to draw us back. God created us. We are secular state. Look at our constitution. It's secular. We are secular state. We are not a religious state. So we don't want anybody, especially people from the north, because what the north used to do when they wanted to criticize government when they are not in power is to use religion to divide people. That is their antics. That is the antics of the north, especially the Fulanis. You know, when Buhari was in the power, he surrounded himself with the Fulanis and with Muslims. And you know the result we have in Nigeria. Let us be realistic. We know the result. Insecurity. Now, another person that came from the south, and he's a Muslim too, and is now using Nigeria. Tinubu is not governing a religious country. He is governing a secular state, a secular country, Nigeria. So when you are thinking of using religion to divide us, we will not agree with you. The Sultanate is ruling now. We don't mind religion in Sultan. We are civilized. Uncivilized people hang on religion to divide people. We are Sultanate. The Sultanate is ruling now. So there's nothing concerning the president using religion. He will appoint whoever that he knows that is capable, that is competent for his government. Not mind the religion that they come from. You always rely on religion.
MQ, thank you for coming on Trending today.
Thank you very much. I want you to like our program and you subscribe to it and share it. Thank you.
Thank you for joining us. Trending on Procyon Radio and television. Keep shining like the star you are.